In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove from recent in Adobe Acrobat. If you've opened a lot of PDFs and want to tidy up your recent list for privacy or just to keep things clean, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it without deleting the actual files from your computer. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your desktop. When the app loads, you'll land on the home view. Keep your eyes on the right-hand side of the window. This is where Acrobat organizes your quick access panels. You'll see a section labeled Recent. This is a running history of files you've opened, and it's what we're going to clean up. Inside Recent, find the file you want to remove from this list. Take a moment to confirm it's the right file name and location. Removing it from Recent won't delete the PDF. It simply clears it from the history shown here, which is perfect if you want a little more privacy or a leaner workspace. To choose the file, look for the checkbox next to its name. Click that checkbox. As soon as you do, a selection panel will appear on the right side of the screen with actions related to what you've selected. If the interface looks slightly different on your version, don't worry, the option we need will still be in that right side panel once something is selected. If you want to remove more than one item, keep clicking the checkboxes next to each file until you've selected everything you want to clear from the list. You'll see the number of selected items indicated in the panel, which is helpful for a quick double check before you commit. With your selection ready, look in that right side panel for the action labeled Remove from Recent. Click it. If Acrobat asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm. The selected files will disappear from your recent view immediately, but again, they remain safely stored wherever you saved them originally. You can still open them later through File Open or by navigating to their folder on your computer. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see checkboxes, try expanding the window or switching views so the selection boxes are visible. The wording and layout may vary slightly between Acrobat Reader and Acrobat Pro, but the process is the same. Select via checkboxes, then use the Remove from Recent action on the right. That's it. You've cleaned up your recent list and kept your files intact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.